Yeah, good morning, everybody. Good morning, my viewers, my followers all over the world, all my fans and my good well wishers all over the world, and appreciate all of you. And what I want to say this morning is regarding of the, could I say a stubborn woman or stupid or useless woman? What is wrong with you? Can't you see that the picture is very clear that you don't have sense? You're a mugu, very big mugu. That's what you are. Jeremiah, Prophet Jeremiah, me and him, we've met once. I don't have his phone number. He doesn't have my phone number. What I'm saying is this. My name is King Jeff Agugbaola, Olaedo. Is Igbo one of United Arab Emirates, Dubai to be precise, like all of you know, and sitting king of Enugu Kingdom, Kano East, Enugu State. What the hell is wrong with you, madam? Are you normal? Are you okay? You know, many people out there will be cursing you. I know you are speaking under a very terrible curse, because you are under a curse now. Big curse. And now I'm laying my own curse upon you because you don't have sense. Who is advising you? Who raised you? Who breastfeed you? Who teach you nonsense and you're thinking it's manner? That is total bullshit. Hello. Jeremiah, Prophet Jeremiah is too busy to pick up phone with you and begin to communicate. Like I listen to one nonsense you say, one useless talk, one stupid and devilish and hopeless, frustrated speech you made that's coming from the pit of hell, that you say that Jeremiah asked you to open a account. He instructs you to. You are a fool. You are the biggest fool I've ever seen. I don't know that such mugu like you is existing. Anyway, that's an open door for some all this new Yahoo boy to see that you're a very big mugu that you can still pay. So they will continue collecting from you and using a masked up voice to take money from you and saying that it's Jeremiah. Who the hell are you that Jeremiah will pick up phone to call you and tell you that open a new account, open this one? You are a fool. You are the biggest fool. Learn manners, man. I think I can teach you manners, but I don't think you will survive the curse I'm about to lay upon you. You are a very hopeless and useless and frustrated woman that will be soon deported back to Nigeria. Deported and face the consequence of false information and useless allegation and public stupid. Oh, you are instigating people to think that you have sense. But at the end of the day, plenty know that you are a hopeless and useless woman. What the fuck is wrong with you? Can't you see that the picture is too clear? That Jeremiah responding you is just because he's a man of God and they just want to speak. What is wrong with all these people? You pick up a word and begin to insult men of God. You don't have respect for God. You don't have respect for the congregation. You don't have respect for the gospel. I'm against you whenever you come out to speak against any man of God. You are a useless person to do that. What the fuck is wrong with you? Mugu 4, guy men collect. You are a biggest mugu so far. Nonsense. My name is FJ the King. Popularly known as musician FJ the King. His Royal Majesty is the King Jeff Agugbaola. It's indeed one of United Arab Emirates. On a moral sense, do you not think? Onyala.